Welcome to all to class number 71. Today I am going to solve the previous class question by an alternate solution. Remember, very easy. But some concepts are required. And remember the powerful concept, that is concept of free body diagram for part of a member. Now, in this course here right now, free body diagram we are writing only for complete member. We don't write for partial member. But for this solution of this alternate solution, you require free body for part of member. So briefly I will tell the principle. And remember, later in some other course or maybe later in some other course or some other question, I may explain furthermore. But so limited explanation, because concept of free body I will not cover much in our course SFD BMD. If you are already knowing, no problem. So I have taken a small example before going there. See, consider this beam, just randomly one beam. The span is not 12 meter. I first set for 12 into 20 meter. Okay. I want free body for AC and CB separately. Where is C? See, this end is A, this end is B. C is at 9 meters from here. That is somewhere here. See, what to do? First, I will tell, first find reactions. Find reactions. Okay. Reactions you have to find. But still, briefly I will write. So, once again, 7 meter. See, VA, I already wrote. Actually, you should write VA, afterwards. First, there is no VA, Now write reaction VA, reaction VB. Okay, now 8 plus 7 is 15, 20. This gap will be 5 meter. So, first of all, my purpose is not, first of all, for this question, reaction you can find very fast because everything has been explained here. But still, take moment about A. Sigma m about A equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. You get minus VB into, now no, that dot I am not writing. VB into 20 plus this total UDL. Okay, 20 into 8 is the total UDL into 8 by 2, no explanation, plus 50 into 8 plus 5 is 13, plus half into 7 into 60 is the total load. Y means no answer from me. Multiplied by 8 plus 5, 13, plus 2 by 3 of 7. See, total load will act somewhere here, equal to 0. You get the value of VB. This class, I will explain so many concepts for you. Okay, start calculate. I just wrote the question without any preparation. So, 20 into 8 into 4, plus 50 into 13, plus half into 7 into 60 into 13 plus 2 by 3 of 7 equal divided by 20. I got VB equal to 250 kilonewton. I usually set the question for round number because easy to write. Sigma V0, take upward positive. Plus VA plus VB minus 20 into 8. 20 into 8 minus 50 minus half into 7 into 60 equal to 0. You know VB value, therefore you get the value of VA in kilonewton. Whatever we got, minus 160 minus 50 minus 60 into 3.5. You never bother what I am telling myself only. 170. Now, suppose there is a mistake in the reaction. When I complete free body, answer will not tally. Therefore, usually I got confidence. Still, for safer side, what I am doing is, I will change this one. I will take moment about B now. First get VA instead of VB. This is going to be one of the super questions asked by me later as a brain teaser. Not now. Wait for some time. For those who want to think, beautiful concept is there about this taking moment about 2 points. That I will tell later. So, if I won't write anything. Half into 7 into 60 is the load into 1 by 3 of 7 plus 50 into 7 plus 20 into 8 into 20 minus 4 equal to 0 divided by 20. I got reaction 170. Correct. I got 170. That's all. Now guaranteed result is tallying. Now see what I will do. I will go back and enter the value here. VB equal to, because my purpose is only for explanation, not a problem. 250 kN, VA equal to 170 kN. Okay, this is the second time I am writing member here. See, this is 5 meter, all clear. Now, come. Now, to get free body diagram for AC and CB separately. The C is at 9 meter from A. Therefore, what I will do now is, if you want free body, I am rubbing now. If you want free body for those two portions, see, I will see where is C. It is somewhere here. So therefore, so the point is, see, if I project here, it will come here, somewhere here and somewhere here. This is 9 meter given in the question. This is 11 meter. Now see the principle of free body. What I do is, write it, cut. See correctly now. I will write free body for AC, AB. This is C point. See, this point is C. Somewhere here is your C. See. So free body for AC I will write here, and free body for CB I will write that side. I will push this way. See now correctly. A, C. This is C and B. First of all, remember, I am not teaching how to draw free body diagram now because it is a separate part. Later, when I get time or somewhere else, I will go for in detail. I will talk at it 1 hour for the meaning of the free body diagram. But right now, for that alternate solution, you require the concept. So I will tell only what is required. So don't tell later that randomly told. No, first of all, I need not tell. I will tell alternate solution. See, use the free body. This is a principle. I will tell at that time. No, let it be useful for you. So, look this side. This reaction, you write as it is. How much? 170 kilonewton. You can write if you want VA only, 170. This UDL will be there. How much? Length of UDL is 8 meter. UDL is 20 kilonewton per meter. Okay. Now, if I cut here and look this side, from this side, this is the loading from this side. Now when I write free body for AC, see, this is, I will write here, this is free body or FBD to save the time. Free body diagram for AC portion. This is free body diagram for CB portion. The principle is, when you write free body diagram, you should see that it is in equilibrium. Now see, from left side, my point is here. This is the point. Be careful. This is, or if you want, you can write here, this is 1 meter and this is 4 meter. Very, very important. Remember, 4 meter. Okay, start. Look that side. From this side, 170 and then see from that side. There is an upward load of 250, downward 50 and triangle downward load. All these loads you transfer here. So if I transfer there, see, I will write here now, there is, or I will do one thing now, I will complete this free body, then go to that free body, better, because I want space now. Okay. This I am writing is free body diagram for AC. Okay. Start. 50 kN transfer here. It will come here, 50 kN. 50 kN. When you transfer 50 kN here, it will be not only force along with the couple this way of 50 into 4 equal to 200 kN meter. Then also further, this 60, see, this load also to be transferred here. How? Acting down. So one more downward load, I will put that 50 here to understand, 50 kN. One more downward load of, how much it is? Half into 7 into 60 is the load equal to 210 kilonewton. But when you transfer here that load, not only load, along with that a moment will come like this, couple of moment of this load about, see, load is already transferred. It will create a moment also. That couple is half into 60, I always write base first. 7 into 60 is the total load multiplied by this is this load will act somewhere here. So 4 meter plus 2/3 of 7 bracket 4 plus 2 by 3 of 7 equal to, I want that couple now. How much is the couple? See, unknowingly in this class you are learning some extra concept. Use it. Half into 7 into 60 is 210 correct into bracket 4 plus 2 by 3 of 7 is 1820 kilonewton meter. And also the VB is acting up. That also will come. The reaction VB will be transferred here. How much? 250 kilonewton. And then it will create a couple or moment this way. Moment you can tell. Or load transferred is load with the couple. Anti-clockwise of, see, now it is anti-clockwise of 250 multiplied by directly 11. 250 into 11 is 2750 kilonewton meter. I will now go for the final answer, free body for AC. This all I will remove now. Therefore, final result, therefore, or I will write here, better see. Therefore, free body for AC will be as shown below. As shown below. See, this is the point A, this is the point C. I will do one thing now. I will not write any VA, VB like that. Only numerical values, a little more down. This is A, this is C. The total length of a member is how much? 9 meter. Up to 8 meter UDL is there. How much UDL? 20 kilonewton per meter. Here there is upward reaction of 170 kilonewton, right? Upward force 170. And here at the this is actually partial length. If you take, this is 8 meter, this is 1 meter. Okay, now at the C from that side, down 50, down 210 and up 250. That much you should calculate. It is your responsibility. Anybody will tell, show the calculation. No. Use the common sense and calculate. That is because engineering level, if you expect this calculation, I will tell, don't attend my classes. 250 down, 210 also down. So total what? 210 plus 50 is total down is 260 down. 260 down and 250 up means undoubtedly 10 kN down. So this is 10 kN down. 10 kN down. Hope it is clear. Then also 200 clockwise, 1820 clockwise. 200 plus 1820 clockwise is 2020 clockwise. 2020 clockwise and 2750 anti-clockwise means this is bigger. So minus 2750 is 730 anti-clockwise. See, anti-clockwise of 730 kilonewton meter. This is the free body for AC. That's all. Remember, for your information, this is a shearing force, that is the bending moment. The shear force is right down, it will be positive, and BM will be sagging, 730 sagging BM. Anyway, that all later, not now. Okay, now I will write this side now. Therefore, free body for that portion, CB portion, right side, will be as shown. As shown. See. CB portion, if I write free body, total length is 11 meter. Total length is 11 meter. There is a upward force here of 250 kN, and up to 7 meter there is 7 meter uniformly varying load of this type. Anyway, later if I get the time, I will explain thoroughly this free body over. This is the point B, this is the point C, and then that's all. Now from this side, see, 1 minute. If you want free body for BC, you have to look this side. But I will write the answer without seeing that side. Confidence. See, if this is down 10, 100% it is up 10. Guaranteed. If it is anti-clockwise 730, without seeing, it is clockwise 730 kilonewton meter. This is my guarantee. Actually, you have to still get the answer. I am writing the answer in the beginning, means I am taking a risk. If answer is not tallying, I will be in trouble. Then I have to admit that I made a technical mistake. Don't hope for it. It will never happen. Okay, start. Now, consider which portion? Consider CB portion. Okay. Don't see this answer. That is the last you will check now. See, when you write CB, I projected here, I will write here now. See, CB portion. There is a reaction upwards of 250 kilonewton. No, VB are not required. A load this way of 60 kilonewton per meter. Sorry, kilometer meter, not couple, kilometer meter. See, I told, suddenly changed. Why? That is because I can make out it's a UVL. Okay, then this gap is 4 meter. Okay, now this is C and this is B. Okay, do one thing. This side you wrote, from this side transfer. 170 will come directly up. I will transfer here. Anything first. So I will transfer 170 here. So it will be upward force of 170 kilonewton and it will create a moment of 170 into 9 this way, clockwise, right? Along with a couple of 170 into 9 equal to 1530 kilonewton meter. Okay. Then also there is UDL here acting down. A downward load will come. How much? 20 into 8 is the downward load. I'll write here 20 into 8 is the downward load equal to 160 kilonewton. And about this point, it will create anti-clockwise moment of 20 into 8 is the total load into moment about this point 1 plus half of 8 into 1 plus 8 by 2. That couple will be equal to 20 into 8 into 5. 165 kilonewton meter. Therefore, if I write free body here, I write everything here. This side, if you see, 170 up, 160 down. 170 up, 160 down is 10 up. Oh, luckily, answer tallied. Then, clockwise 1530, anti-clockwise of how much? Where is the answer? It is not 165, sorry. See, 20 into 8 into 5 is 800. Something went, see, calculation mistake. I can see when I saw these two values, I got a shock. Calculation mistake, 800. Okay. Clockwise 1530, see, 1530 clockwise and 800 anti-clockwise means 780, not 730, a light problem. It is what? A clockwise moment of 730 kN meter. Perfectly tallying. Now, by chance, somebody wants free body for AC and what he will do is, suppose he wants me to draw free body for AC. I will use a IS code. This is actually IS code, don't bother. It is IS code. Free body for AC he will tell, and then when I am about to write free body for AC, suppose he will do this way. Okay, now write. I will tell, okay, no problem. He will think, are you transferring? You want free body. I will write. I will see upward force and downward force, find the net force. I will balance it by reaction from this side. It will come this much. Then I will find the net moment from this side. To opposite, I will put from this side. Or if he covers this much and asks me, now write free body for that portion, I will tell write, no problem. Or if he asks me, write free body for this much portion only, then I will ask him, allow me to see one side at least at one point. Though not allowing, then I cannot draw free body. You draw if possible. Oh, sorry. Therefore, he will tell, sorry, not possible. If you want for this portion, if you want here, leave me, at least let me see what is this side. Okay, then other side, I don't require. It will come same answer. So this is the how to draw free body. Now I am going to use it for your Roman 5.3a solved last time. It was very lengthy solution. Actually class was short because I wrote everything earlier because little lengthy calculation. I told those who are serious will study it. But now the same question can be solved very easily by using free body concept. I will start it now. So by now I am not going to explain free body once again now in this course if you require later. Only thing is maybe I will upload a class only for free body diagram. One long class I will upload. So many will be benefited from that one. See, time problem. I have to see it. Okay. This much I wrote. This was your Roman 5 3a, or you can remember class number 70. Okay. See last class. This is a question. I will tell you what we did last time. First you found the reaction. Reaction VA equal to reaction VB equal to total load on beam divided by 2 because of symmetry. I already told you half into L by 2 into W multiplied by 2 triangles divided by 2. We got WL by 4. How? Upward direction reaction. VA, VB. Both are, or you can write here VA upward, VB upward equal to total downward load by 2. So we got WL by 4, WL by 4. Then I considered a section XX here at X from A and XX here at X from B. Therefore, using similar triangles, this intensity equal to W divided by L by 2 equal to this intensity divided by L by 2 minus X. Oh, sorry. See, that's okay. I can make out here. L by 2 minus X. So if anything mistake is there, I find immediately. Nothing can escape. Okay. Then if you remember, see how lengthy. I will tell you last time what happened. For XX at X from A, your shear force Vx equation, and later, and also, I will not explain much by already over. Bending moment Mx equation, shear force left up, right down, positive, Mx sagging positive was, I already told systematically last time, past I will write now, equal to, when you look this side, trapezium you are getting, go through last class, I wrote there, plus WL by 4 minus W plus 2W by L into L by 2 minus X divided by 2 into X is the area of the trapezium. X should be in color. Okay. This is the shear force expression. Then I simplified it. See how much you have to simplify? Lengthy calculation. And then BM I wrote plus WL by 4 into X minus moment of this load is W plus 2W by L into L by 2 minus X divided by 2 into X is the total load into distance of CG of that one from here. Total load is acting here. This distance is from here start. It is 2W by L into L minus X plus W divided by 2W by L into L minus X plus, plus 2W. Oh, see, this side plus twice of that side, 2W divided by W, this side plus twice of that side divided by this side plus that side into distance between them is X divided by 3. Then we simplified and got. Yesterday, deliberately, I did not tell one thing. Some will wonder how it became reduced. See there. Actually, remember, this term and this term will cancel. So therefore, when I simplified, I did not consider these two deliberately. I am not told. Why? At least those who are serious, they should think how suddenly became easier. Not easier, lesser terms. See there, these are same terms. Then we solved, and finally I will tell what answer you got. I will write here now. I will write the answer here. Finally, what you got? You got available space, rough, small letters. Values you write. Shear force diagram. We got WL by 4 here. Here also we got WL by 4, 0 here. This way, plus, minus, and BMD was this way, parabol, cubic curve, WL square by 24. How I got 24? There's a trick. You don't bother about it. I don't remember. W square, I write neatly. We got WL square by 24. Then that's what you got yesterday. It was only around 17-18 minutes because everything was written by me. And one more thing, usually people, such a lengthy solution, nobody wants. Meant for those who are serious. So that much I completed last time. See, I forgot, I am not writing everything. Plus. This was last time, SFD BMD you got. Now we will solve the same question by, I wrote yesterday, alt solution 1. I will go for solution 2 now. I will go for solution 2. See how fast you can do it. I will write. Okay, this all I will remove now. Why? These are all last class recap. Just for those interested, they can learn once again. Now, I told last time, solution 2 is there. One more shortcut is later. That is later, not now. That's without taking sections easily. That I will cover in single class, all the uniformly varying loads. So now, I will write solution 2. Solution 2, or I will call it alternate solution. Alternate solution. Okay, write neatly. Solution 2 for solution 2, or I will call alternate solution. Solution for Roman 5, 3a. If you remember, I wrote it after finding reaction. So reaction is common. So first, draw a sketch with the reactions. This already you know it. First one, sketch with the reactions. You see correctly how easy this is. Very much useful, but provided you learn seriously and understand. For that matter, my class, I was telling from beginning only, is meant only for those who are serious. Already 70 classes for SFD BMD, not even 20% covered. You can make out how much details I am going to give. This is A, this is B. Some will tell is talking and writing also, no problem. When I tell something, I will be knowing what I am telling. When I write also, I will be knowing what I am writing. L by 2, L by 2. VA, WL by 4, VB also WL by 4. Over. This is the beam. Now, see, last time I told, take X from here and struggle. Now, alternate solution, what you do is, consider free body of only one side, AC, sufficient. Because if you get the result for AC, you don't have to waste time for BC, because you know anti-symmetry for SFD and symmetry for BMD. If you solve half, remaining half, you can draw directly. So that you can use it. Sometimes benefits you should get by symmetry, available in symmetry. Okay, start. Free body of AC, if I write, see, I'll write a sketch here. I'll make fully clear free body of AC. W per unit length. Just now I explain unit length. Loading. This is A, this is C. This reaction is VA equal to WL by 4. Length is L by 2. Okay, start. Free body means look that side. There is an upward load of WL by 4. I write here. Upward load of WL by 4. It will also create a moment of anti-clockwise moment of WL by 4 into L by 2 equal to WL square by 8. Okay. Then also there is a downward load here. A downward load of how much? Half into L by 2 into W equal to WL by 4. And it will create a clockwise moment of half into L by 2 into W is the total load. This total load will act here into this distance multiplied by 2 by 3 of L by 2, or that will give you 2, 3, or 1 minute. Why should I struggle? Use the calculator. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Oh, calculator is not on. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 of 1 by 2. W square by 12. W square by 12. Therefore, finally we get free body. How? This way free body. See, this is W per unit length. These all you don't have to write everything. Understanding only, I am expanding it here. Reaction VA equal to WL by 4. This is A. This is your L by 2. And here, up WL by 4, down WL by 4. Oh, 0. No load is transferred. So, load is not there. Anti-clockwise WL square by 8. Clockwise WL square by 12 means you should know that much mathematics. 1 by 8 is bigger than 1 by 12. Therefore, 1 by 8 anti-clockwise, 1 by 12 clockwise means higher is 1 by 8. I will subtract 1 by 12. It will come WL square. And how? Direction anti-clockwise of WL square by 24 will come. WL square by 24 will come. Shear force 0. Okay, it will come over. Now you solve this question. Solve this question AC, and now do one thing. Now do not waste time. Now don't take X from A. If you take X from A, why you want this one? Now you should take, warning, be careful, X from here, so that simply you get it now. Now I will go for solution when for AC portion X from C. Okay, I will rub and start fresh here. Solution for this AC portion X from C. Okay. See, in the entire structural engineering, confidence is number one. If you got confidence, you can do anything then. Okay, now consider free body diagram for AC. Start. Actually, this will take, this much writing is not required. This I wrote for understanding purpose. Otherwise, just by observing you can write here. See, this is A, this is C. There is a reaction here VA equal to WL by 4, and here C, this length is L by 2. Now important, and consider section XX at X from C. Forgot, sorry, when you see, forgot this only. Anti-clockwise of how much answer? WL square by 24. I forgot it, right? I will remember later. Over. Now see, X here. So let this intensity is W suffix X. Now I should put directly. See, W by L by 2 equal W suffix X by X. Or you can tell directly, stand here, W by L by 2 into X. So this will become 2W by L into simply X. See, last time it came into L minus X, L by 2 minus X. Very simple. Okay, now for cross section XX, see now, fast solution, not much time. Shear force, for shear force, that is Vx equal to left up, right down positive. Okay. Look this side. There is only force. Right side, remember, right side, left side up positive, right side down positive. So half plus half into this X, half into X into 2W by L into X is the total load. Explained several times, or you can tell directly Vx equal to plus 2 will cancel, simply W X square by L. How? Parabolic variation, parabolic of second degree. X varies from 0 to L by 2. And 0 means, now 0 means C, L by 2 means A, because X from this side. And, okay, now, substitute X equal to 0. You get shear force at C equal to 0. Okay, 0. Substitute X equal to L by 2. You get shear force at A plus W into L by 2 square divided by L. WL square by 4 by L will be plus WL by 4. And do not waste time to locate the point where shear force is 0, because you already know shear force 0 at C. So that is the point of maximum BM. This has been told so many times earlier. Now SFD later. SFD later, not now. Why waste time? SFD later. Okay, this I'll remove. What is one? Okay, already over. Now, next, for the same section XX, BM, I'll put once again at XX, that is MX, sagging positive, equal to, see here, BM, plus Y plus, I don't know how many time I told, WL square by 24, that's all. It's a couple, no into, then minus half into X into 2W by L into X is the total load multiplied by moment about this point. I didn't write XX here. Its total load, this much load will act here. It is into 1 by 3. This is, I am not explaining why 1 by 3. Why? Go back to earlier class. As I told, study every class. Then only my class is useful for you. Or therefore, your MX will become. 1 minute. I hope recording I not switch it on. Recording switch it on. Yes, sometimes what happens is, it happened once, I forgot to switch on the recording. Full talking wasted. Okay. Equal to WL square by 24 minus, see, W2 will cancel. Okay, I'll cancel 2. Then minus W into X into X into X, into is X cube divided by, there's a L here, that's all, divided by L. Expression for bending moment. Parabolic variation of third degree. These are told. And varies from 0 to L by 2. 0 means B, 0 means C, L by 2 means A. Correct answer? W into X cube by 1, 2 will cancel L. Okay, now start. Substitute X equal to 0, you get BM at C. When you put 0, directly plus WL square by 24. substitute x equal to L by 2, you get Bm at A equal to WL square by 24 minus W into, how much it is? L by 2 cube. I think, see now, I will tell you what happened. Divide by L by 2 cube, divide by L. Now, this is 1 by 24. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 1 by 24 minus 1 by 8. It has to come 0. Suddenly I opened my eyes. See, when I simplified here, I forgot this 3. See, I told you there is no panic for me. See, I forgot the 3. If I forgot, because of the forgetting of the 3, see, what happened is when you substitute here, 1 by 24 minus 1 by 8, some Bm will come. Actually, Bm is 0. Sometimes people get panic. But I am not worried because when it is 1 by 24, when it is 1 by 8, to make 0, there should be a 1 by 3. I saw, oh, 3, come here. I forgot you, now come. Late entry. Formula is 3L. See, that's what I will tell called confidence. So, if any in the life, if you got confidence, suppose somewhere answer is not tallying or anywhere you got stuck, you think and rectify it. You don't have to bother. You know what you are told is correct. If that confidence is there, you can achieve anything now. So now, I won't waste time now. Okay, right, for your benefit, WL square by 24 minus L cube by L is L square. WL square by 2 cube is 8 into 3 is 24. Beautiful, 0. Now, lastly, not required. Maximum Bm. Why not required? Because you know maximum Bm where shear force 0. Still mathematically, see now, still mathematically, I will write here. For Mx to be maximum, just to be completely perfect, dmx by dx equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, differentiate mx with respect to x and no red color now, equate to 0. You get dmx by dx equal to, this is 0, 0 minus w by 3l into 3x square, x square equal to 0. W cannot be 0, L cannot be 0, 3 cannot be 0, 3 cannot be 0. Therefore, only chance is x equal to 0. Therefore, M is maximum for x equal to 0, that is at C center. Center Bm already you got here. Where is it? Here. We already got it. Now you can go for bending moment diagram. Okay. Actually, I can stop the class now because SFD BMD already drawn last time. Still, to complete, I will draw it. Now, lastly, SFD BMD. Okay. Actually, already I drawn last time. Not required. Still, start. Shear force at A, we got WL by 4, available space, positive. At B, you got minus W. Sorry, one thing forgotten. See, we did only for AC. CB not required. You should write symmetry is there. When symmetry is there, remember, shear force will be anti-symmetric. I told, because if you look here, see, left up is positive, right up is negative. That I told already. So, what result you got A for A to C, same result for B to C, but shear force in opposite sign or opposite nature. But bending moment not that way. Bending moment sagging. Okay. I already told this earlier. So, minus WL by 4. And remember, as I told, 0 maximum intensity here. So, maximum slope here, 0 intensity here, 0 slope here. Maximum intensity there, maximum slope there, 0 intensity. So, curve is not this way, it will be. Okay, when you finally come here, it should, see, it should have 0 slope and then again it will turn and become this way. Okay, sufficient. Okay. The tangent here will have 0 slope. Bm, this is, already you got WL square by 24. Okay, okay, done. Why bother too much? Okay, plus SFD BMD already over. Because There is no point in again and again going to the curve. One class I am going to explain about curvature only for you. Now, 71 class over now. Actually, compared to last time 70, this is very fast. Now, class 72, I will go for Roman 5 3b. Same type of question, numerical. First I will solve like last time. What? Taking section xx at x from here, where you get complications, lengthy equation to understand. But as usual, to save the time, I will write earlier. Because meant for those who are serious. Then for that one, shortcut solution. Not shortcut, sorry, alternate solution using free body for one side. Then, see, Roman 5.2 and Roman 5.3 numericals are pending. Wow. I think, I don't remember now what. What I will do is, I will do numerical. Means, class number 73 will be, see, this question, book work already over, W unit length, and same, numerical over, same question numerical, say 6 kN per meter, something randomly. Okay, beam is simply support only. And Roman 5.3 is book work over, last class, today also over, numerical will be over next time. Only one case, okay, this way. Book work means WW or numerical means say that randomly 6 kN per meter. Okay, that is not a problem. These all the four, I will go for shortcut. Single class. The section XX are not required. Then some will tell better sir, all the triangle in triangle road in one single stretch. So if you want, usually if you want me, there is no communication here. If in front of students, if I ask, if you want me, they will tell sir want. Okay, I hope you also require. Before that one, recap. This also. Once again, no problem. Class may run for little more time, maybe around 1 hour. No. Therefore, so that I can tell you shortcut solution for simply support beam, whether uniformly varying load is this way or this way or this way or this way, book work and numerical, everything in one single class. So you can use that one other classes you go through for understanding. But these two already over, little fast. I will write and I will prepare and explain. These two most probably I will write in front of you only. Okay, now we will meet in class number 72. Thank you for going through the class.